things happen inside us. A searching hand can heal. You found me out, but I'm too young, I can. Ha, 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 ha. Perfect, imperfect. Your fingers tentative. I have no need to reject, 'cause now I need to mend. Oh, surgery, what's wrong? With you I can't go on. It's right between my legs. I need you to say go. Oh, 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 Once upon a time, I took my first trip. You stand over me, injecting the seeds of sleep. A pain between my legs, this fleeting nameless ache. Counting backwards down from 10, you know I never had a chance to ever fall in love. I've never held a girl, I've never been above these childish foggy thoughts. Oh, surgery, I'm strong to make with me a man. Oh, surgery, what's wrong? I hope you understand. Completely knock me out and take these demons out and cut from within my soul this angry little hole. Oh, surgery, I'm yours to make with me a man. Oh, surgery, what cost? I hope y'all lend a
You gotta make up some kind of line in a snow blowing thing and the snow and the wind cold kind of there's always a part of me. I've been faking this for 16 years. You can fake it for somebody can fake it. So now I breathe in this and breathe out and it's a frozen off until it froze. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna have to brace it until I can show she always lies and things are real. You need to take this boy back to the hospital. You see, and things went wrong to them. This is March. Well, I'm not going to say no labor. They're loving marriage. And they're able to change. You know what? From the thing, you just got to like, I'm not going to get into the best part. Because I was going to tell you, I wasn't going to pull up and every single string is going to be tied to your chest. You're going to break each one off and then scream out of this. You're going to come running down the hall like, what is happening down here? We're going to get your shot together. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to get things happening. I'm doing there before. I'm not going to see I've been there before. I'm not going to go back with that. Okay, so just put that out of your mind. Besides, I'm going to get back. All right. Go back to the phone.
Shock anything other than a straight line. If you got anything that looks like that, you would just put the paddles from your defibrillator on the patient.
Right.
You would charge your defibrillator up to 200. When it was ready to go, you'd make sure everybody around was clear so you didn't shock anybody else. The person doing CPR would stop, everybody would stop and back away. And then you could, and then you would shock them. And of course they would